Test. Okay, audio sounds good. And connection. On YouTube still have the error here. Well, not error, it's a warning. But on Twitch side, it's green, so it should be good. It's good enough. And hopefully better than last time. Well, nobody's here yet. So, I don't know. Maybe I could wait a bit. Actually, whatever. I started early, so... Well, let's start the stream then. Alright. Alright. Oh, wait. I forgot to enable the name display for the music. Here we go. Alright. Alrighty. Hello there. Welcome back to another stream. Yay. So, yeah. Last week on Saturday, I decided to not stream. If I remember correctly, let me check my posts here. Posts. Yeah. Last week on Saturday, I decided to not stream because I'm not feeling well, and because I just want to work on projects without having to like getting it's not overloaded. It's more like having to focus with streaming. And yeah, mostly because I just not really that motivated at the time, and I don't really want to push myself too much, so I decided to not stream last week. Hey there, Jar. Welcome to the stream. Where do you have anyone? Oh, you mean everyone? I don't know. Probably haven't joined yet because I started quite early here. Normally I start at 7 or 7:15, but whatever. I just want to start early, so maybe also end early as well. Anyway, today I'll be working on... I don't know. I have no idea what to work on today. I have a bunch of projects and ideas, but yeah, there's no single project that I will be focused on today. Instead, I will just work on whatever. Actually, there is one project that I want to work on first, which is the Makoto rig. You know, but alone. Yeah, I think you're the only one on the stream here, at least right now. Yeah, there's only one person on the stream here. Oh yeah. Anyway, let's go to the second workspace. And before that, let me open where is it? Gumroad. So for those who don't know, I released this like a character preset here, the Makoto character preset, which is a character from the video game Persona 3. If you played that game, I've played it, but I haven't haven't finished it yet. Same thing as the other Persona game. I played it, but never finished one. Okay. Also, my PNG tuber server just crashed again. Yeah, it crashed. I have no idea why it keeps on crashing. Like it works for a while, but then suddenly just decided to give up and just freeze there. All right, there we go. Okay, I got the link. open it in Firefox, and then let's open Explorer. So I released this some time ago. This is originally a character I made, a character preset I made for some rigging, not rigging, some render projects, fan art. But then I decided to release it. There's originally two versions here. There's like the free version, like the character preset rig only, and for the additional stuff like the the evoker and the sword model, I make it like extras, kind of like what I do with the entertainer rig, where there's like the free version and then the extra content. The idea is to, well, give it a test to see if anyone wants to like buy the extra content. But it turns out almost nobody buy the extra content. I think only one person buy the extra content. One or two, I don't remember. I need to check the analytics. But yeah, nobody buys the extra content for the rig. So I decided to just make it part of the main version and make it all free. So yeah, here's the like a little animation I made for the release here. Let's see it here. Let's just turn off the audio. Why won't it play? There you go. But yeah, it's just like this after battle animation that I recreated. This is made in After Effects, if I remember. Yeah, I use After Effects for this. The elements are made in Blender, like the character render here, as well as like this mask thing. All of this actually made in Blender, but I then render it and then import it into After Effects to like animate it into like proper motion graphics. But yeah, it's a really cool animation I made here. Really want to do something like this again someday. But yeah, I'm currently planning to make an updated version of this. Not really like a big update. It's still the same rig, same model. Just that now I want to pack it into an asset browser, an asset library. That way you can easily import it from the asset browser. Let me open it here. Where is it? Blender 5.1. Let me open Blender. Right. We go here. There's this catalog here called Ender's Creation. This is I plan to make like this catalog to be like for all of my assets if I plan to list them, because I do have some assets that I made for projects, and I plan to release them as like a pack on Gumroad. So yeah, when I release them, I will put it inside the Ender's Creation catalog. Right now, it's used by the Makoto asset library. If you go here, you can see there's the V1 model. Actually, I just added this today because I have the V1 on my project file, and whatever. Let's just add this as a bonus, because why not? Oh yeah, you got the character reset, the V1, V2, the evoker, and the sword model. So yeah, this should be all. Though there's one more thing I want to add, which is the what is it? The holster for the evoker gun model. It's originally part of the evoker rig here, but I decided to remove it because it doesn't really fit well with the character. Mainly because there's not much space in the character where I could like put it. So I decided not to use it on the final render, which is actually, let me open that render. It should be on my art station here. Mm, 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 mm. That's V2. I need to find V1. Not here. It should be up here. Ah, there you go. And I need to reopen Firefox again. Fox and then explore. So yeah, here's like the first render I made of the character. You can see I made this very good. There's the cursor. I made this like belt thing. It should is where the gun holster should be, but unfortunately, it will clip with the suit rig here that I made. So yeah, I decided to just remove it, not being part of the model. In fact, on the V2 character rig, actually remove it, so it doesn't have that gun belt again on this one here. Yeah, as you can see on both render, it doesn't have this belt model anymore because I remove it. So yeah. Hey there, Kofsy. Welcome to stream. Why so early? I don't know. I just don't have anything else to do, so I decided to just start early. Anyway, let's start working. Yeah, I need to open the where is it? The evoker model here. I'm just gonna reuse the file here. Uh, this is fine. The new collection, and then I need to append the old model with the holster model. Let's see, Makoto V1 Fokker. There you go. VR Fokker. There you go. Oh wow, it's much bigger. Yep. Okay, let's see here. Hopefully, okay, no, it's not following that, so I need to parent it here. Oh wow, parent it here. Well, it doesn't matter. I just need the holster model to follow. So let's just remove. No, actually, I still need this for like adjusting the size so it match up. There you go. Now I can unparent this and remove this. And there you go. Can you help me on with something? I only know how to bevel the arm, but what about the arm with finger? Okay, hold on. Let me save this first. Save as Makoto Evoker Holster V1. There you go. Okay, let me open Blender. Reset, let's use this. Okay, and roll finger. Right, there you go. Okay, so you want to add bevel for the finger. Let's try adding bevel here. It needs to be after the subdivision, otherwise it will get messed up by the subdiv. And then let's reduce this, and then let's add segments. This should be enough. Let's make it a bit smaller. And where is it? There should be an option for the, there you go, harden normals. And yeah, there you go. This should be it, though it will break a bit here. I think it's because I'm using the angle setting here. What if I use the the bevel weight instead. So select similar, crease. Let's remove all of this because I just want to add bevel weight to the outer edges. Like so. In bevel weight. And here let's use the weight. And here we go. So this wouldn't add bevel on this part here. So maybe I could manually set this one up like so. Oh, not there. Here maybe. There you go. But the problem is that, well, no, it doesn't seem to cause any issue. Well, the topology is still there, but when it's straight, it doesn't seem to be affecting the like shading or whatever. Oh, wow. That's interesting. It's because of the clamping. Ah, right. It's because of the clamping. Okay. I think this should be it here. Let's add bevel weight. And then here I need to add bevel weight here. Let's give this a test. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's not good. Maybe it's because of the bevel run there. I need to remove it then. Just select that, and that edge. Remove the bevel. Hopefully this fix that. No, it still have the same issue. Maybe it's just because of this part here. Wonder if I can change this. Let's see. Oh, not good. All right. Let's see here. This doesn't seem to do anything. Okay, what if I remove this one? Okay, that seemed to fix it, but then you won't have this part here. What if I add a bevel here? Nope, that won't work. Oh, how about this? Add bevel there. Add bevel there. Okay, that seems to fix it a bit. Let's add bevel on all these edges here then. Will this cause any issue? No, seems quite fine here. All right, let's see. Not much issue except for this part here. Let's give this a test. Nice, it's stable. Yeah, it's quite stable here. All right, so I think this is how you do it here. Yeah. So first you need to add let's just remove this. So you need to add a bevel weight here on the edges here, especially on like the outer edges here, and then like this part here, this part, and this part here. And then you need to add a bevel modifier after the subdivision. Set it to something small here. And then as little segment as possible. You can add more, but I suggest keeping it low so you don't have to deal with clipping problem. Disable the clamp overlap, and then enable harden normals. So yeah, that's how you set it up there. I guess it's better to make the bevel manually. You can do that, but the problem is that it might break some of the, like, if you shape key or something like that, it might break. Does it work with finger rotation? Let's check. Finger rotation back. Yeah, it does work. Because the finger rotation, the cut is right over here on this part here, and the bevel only affects on the, like, this side here, as well as like the finger parts, like over here, but never like touching this line here. So it should work just fine with finger rotation. No, like here I change to different setting, it works just fine. So yeah, it works with finger rotation. Hey there, Adil the Animation. Welcome to the stream. All right. Now that's done, let's continue with the holster model. This only works if you have smaller bevel though. If you want to bevel a bit larger, not too large, you can increase it, but the larger your bevel is, the bigger the your chance of getting like clipping with the mesh. So that's why I recommend keeping the bevel small, so that you have less chance of getting clipping. Because as you can see there, even with my like small bevel setting, you still have a bit of clipping. I wonder if I still have the autosave. Oh, I still have. Nice. But yeah, as you can see, even with like 0.0025 setting here, you still have some clipping here and shading issue. So the bigger you set this number, the more pronounced that problem is, as you can see. Oh wait, I think you don't need this part here, only on this part. Yeah, let me test this. Yeah, as you can see, you still have this like this clipping here. And if I set this to 0.0025 here, it's still clipping but less pronounced. I mean, if you just look far away, you wouldn't really notice it much. But the bigger I make this, the more pronounced this clipping is. So yeah. If you have to bevel it too small, it's hard to see smooth transition on the edge. So you want something like this, where like can really see the smoothness, like so. While you still have to deal with some issue here, like this part here. But I don't know. If I move this around, maybe could this fix? No, the subdivision will always mess it up. And you're talking about setting the bevel manually. So I wonder if I could like apply. Oh wait, I cannot, because there's the shape key here. So yeah, you cannot apply this. Maybe like setting the bevel manually. Let me give this a try. Like similar bevel. There you go. Control B. Let's make it 0.065. hardened normals, and segment 2. Not good. Yeah, this won't work. Yeah, setting the bevel manually won't work because, well, you have this result here. So yeah, the only way to add bevel on like finger mesh is to use the bevel modifier, like making sure it set after the subdivision, like so. And then you cannot make it too big. At least like 0.25 is like the sweet spot here, where you can still see like the bevel, but it doesn't cause much clipping. So I wonder, changing this. Nope, this won't change. No, that's makes it worse. So yeah, that's about it. You cannot make the bevel too big. Add bevel manually may modify the mesh theory. Well, I guess you need to edit the mesh entirely and make it work with the armature. There is no other way. Yeah, because you then need to add the crease, but then crease won't work well. I mean, you've seen it, what happened. Select simmer, bevel, control B. Yes, you can see this won't work. Maybe because of this subdivision. No. What the hell is this? This is weird. What happened? Huh. Wait. I am on the basis here. Oh, please. Ah, there you go. Goodie. Maybe if I like do this. No, we still have this issue here. I have no idea what happened here. Like the bevel got bulged out for some reason. Let's remove all of this. Oh. Oh, wait, that's not the mesh. What the hell happened here? It's because of... Ah, right. I think I know what's happened here. Because I put the bevel on the basis here, it gets like reapplied on each of these each of the shape key here. Because of that, it didn't get like multiplied because some of the shape key are active here from the driver on for the fingers. So yeah, that's interesting. I wonder though, what happened if I put it on its own shape key? Okay, this seems to work much better. Okay, if you want to like add bevel manually, you can try adding it on a new shape key here. Don't do it on the basis, otherwise it will get like duplicated on the rest of the shape key, and yeah, not good. And also you can just no, you cannot. But yeah, so you still have this problem here. So yeah, you need to deal with this, like how to make the information nice looking. But anyway, that's enough about this. Oh yeah, I need to go to the toilet first. So yeah, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I will make the adjustable bevel finger mesh. Well, good luck on that. Okay. One thing I want to add to this is the ability to toggle this tip here. So to make it like open and close. I think previously I tried to rig this, but the result is not good. So I wonder. I really want to give this a try again. Okay. Shift A, armature. Put it there. Snap. Put it there. Snap. Oh yeah. Let's enable in front axis head. Then let's adjust the roll here. Don't need to be precise, just close enough. Okay. Snap there. Just the roll again. Oh, wow. That's inaccurate. I wonder if there's a way to like easily set the roll to like a 3D cursor or something. Let's see. Bone roll, recalculate. Active bone. Oh, I can. I wonder. How will this like align itself? Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. So the Z will align to the 3D cursor. That's neat. That makes adjusting rolls so much easier now. Because I could just add the bone like so. Like snap it, the roll would be messed up. Then I could just set the 3D cursor to whenever I want the Z to set. And then align there. And there you go. Nice. I wish I know this earlier. This would save so much time, like adjusting bone. Using shape key and then set the bevel amount like you were once you done, you can apply it and just leave it there. Don't know how it worked, but try anyways. Alrighty, I wish you luck. I tried it and it doesn't seem to work well, but I don't know, maybe you will find a way. Alrighty. One roll, recalculate to the cursor. Calculate to the cursor. And there you go. That should be it. Next is just setting up the rig here. So armature, set this here. And then this is bone 4. So it's descending. Put it here. Bone 4 there. Bone 3 here. Number 2 here. Number 1 here. And lastly, 0 is this whole part here. All right, let's give this a test. Nice. Okay, it's not perfect, mainly because how I set up the mesh here, but I think this is good enough here. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is like, this is good enough. I mean, I could even probably make it better if I put subdivision. Crease, subdiv, shade smooth, mark sharp. Yeah. Still weird looking here. Still like crooked, but I think it's good enough. Let's disable in front. Yeah, it's mainly because of this here. It's not perfectly like set up like so. So I wonder, since I already said it's like this, copy, paste, 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 paste. There you go. Now it's perfectly straight. And then uh, here I could just oh, wait a minute. First I need to apply this. There we go. And then here I can Shift A, apply pose as rest pose. And whatever. I could just redo that. And then let's dissolve this edge. There we go. We have a nice clean shape. Let's fix this. And then here I need to adjust the cut here. How much is this? 8. Okay, let's remove all of this. Dissolve edge. Getting it as close as I can be. I think this should be enough. 24. And here 24. All right. So we got this, 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 and this. And of course, all of this. Inverse that, dissolve edge, and there we go. Much cleaner shape there. I can set this to the armature again. But of course, I need to redo the vertex group. There we go. All right, got this set up. Now, I just need to make it wrap around the gun here. Well, it's not actually a gun, but whatever. I forgot the armature. Hey there, Cuman. I'm Muhammad PRH. Welcome to the stream. Hello, kamu buat apa ini? I'm currently working on the holster model for the evoker here. Currently working on an updated version of the Makoto asset that I made some time ago. Made and released. Here I want to make it into an asset library, and also I want to add some additional content. So yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, right. I forgot because FK. though strangely it banned. So what the hell here? Oh, right. It's because of this. I need to remove that, remove that. There it goes. So it's localized now. Hey there, the oh wait, you're just a bot there. Let me clean this up. Uh, wait, it's not visible on Twitch. Perhaps they already banned it. Whatever. Let's just do it here. Okay, I need to rotate this on the Y. Oh. Maybe I should assign this part to number 1. That way, when I rotate this, it will also rotate this part here. Nice. Maybe I should do same with the rest here. Okay, then let's redo this. Hold on. It's over there. So this I need to remove. Sign here. Remove there. And the last one here should have all of this. Right. Let's set all of this to Euler XYZ so it's easier to adjust. Alright, Y, I need you to be 20. And then this one, let's make this like 15. Then the band here minus 45. Okay, I need to make this smaller. Minus 30. All right, nice. Maybe minus 25. And also I need to rotate the Y here. 15. Hey there, William. Welcome to the stream. Currently working on the holster, holster model first, or I can work on your model. Let's make this 2.5. Okay, it's looking good here. So, wonder if I could just let's see, animation, copy, paste. I need to invert some of the value. or maybe it doesn't seem to work well. Oh, it doesn't work. Whatever. Let's just input this manually. 15, 20, 25. 15, 20, 25. Okay, this should be negative. 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 Hmm. Hmm. Z minus 25 times 2 minus 25 times 3. Hmm. Then let's add this. Should be negative 15. Okay, we're getting close. No, no, no. I can't make it as close. There, let's see. Seventeen, 16. Hmm. Hmm. 30 perhaps. Uh, mm, hmm. Okay. Maybe if I put this on X-ray mode, it will be easier. I also don't have to make this like completely exact. It's close enough. Okay, getting close. All right, this part is also clipping, so it doesn't matter. All right, almost there. Just need to get this to wrap like so. Okay, that should be enough here. I hope. Maybe I could like cheat a bit, like scale this something. Yeah, I definitely can. That way, perfectly wrap like so. And yeah, I think this is good enough. I don't want to spend whole night adjusting the rotation just so it perfectly matches the other side. Yeah. Uh, let's separate this. Separate. Where is it? Separate selection. Set to the cursor. There. I mean origin to the cursor. And now here, snapping face project, edge, face project, center. Uh, wait, why doesn't this work? All right, it's because the origin hasn't been properly set there. There you go. I think this should be okay. It shouldn't be edge. It should be edge center. There we go. Um. Okay, that's weird. Maybe it's because of this. That's why it's like glitching out. Okay, here I go. Finally. Let's enable this again and set this back here. Hmm. Transform origin. Need to rotate here. That way I can just slide it like so. Oh, wait. There you go. Right, that's good enough. Took a lot of work to just align this, but I mean, it's close enough. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add armature, and then here, bone. Oh, wait, I forgot. To make this permanent, let's apply this first, and then here I'm gonna apply pose as rest pose, and now if I add this back, there you go, it should freeze like so. So now when I let's join this back. So here, and then here. This is the last, so it should be 0.4. Well, this one is 0.0. Oh, all right, I haven't assigned this. And there you go. Now you can adjust this for like animation or whatever. Though it wouldn't be like great here with how the bone is set up here, but whatever. That's the whoever gonna animate this problem. Anyway, that's about it. One more thing I want to add is the root bone for the holster. So add that and snap it there. Okay, and also why not reuse this as well? Delete, yes, delete, and delete. Hold on, what's the bone shape here? Hey, one quick question. Did you give subdivision on that belt, or is it normal vertex count? I do use subdivision on this one here. As you can see here. Here's what it look like without subdivision. Okay, now I can remove this. BSP box. Zero this out. Oh, I see. It's curved, so the tail should match the Y, like so. Then let's snap there. Set the Y over here. Right, now it's centered. Let's do the same here. Snap there. We got the center. Now we move it on the Y. Four, 5, not too much. 0, 5, 0, 2, 5. Close enough. Okay, increase this a bit. And then let's reduce this. Oh, wait, I need to also did it here as well. So snap there. Turn this to 0 and then adjust this position. 7. No, it should be 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 8. There you go. Six, 5. There you go. TTL holster root. There you go. Copy this. Then here, holster belt dot 001. Gonna parent it here. Then for the bone shape for this, I'm gonna import a circle project and retainer rig, release base, preset object, circle, PSP circle. There we go. Put it here. Now, all of this will use the circle bone shape. Rotate this to 90. Then move it on the X axis. Oh wait, let's make this small first. Move it on the X 0.005. And then let's readjust the position. Point 0.005. Let's just do it manually like so. This will be 0.3. Oh, 0.3. A bit too big. 0.25. There we go. Move this on the Y like so. All right. And then of course, wire width 1.5. So you could easily see it. Set the bone color to yellow. And yeah, here we go. Put it here. Evoker holster. PR evoker holster. Let's use this. Evoker's holster. Holsters. Rig dash evoker holster. Make this main. Main. And of course, gonna need to paste it here. Let's just call this clip. Let's just join this. Make this part of the... Oh, wait. But then it will get subdivided. So let's just make it like so. All right, now I can move this here. Object keep transform, though for this one, it needs to be parented to the bone directly. And there you go. Oh yeah, the material. This should use evoker main, evoker main. This one, evoker metal. All right, let's purge the unused data, world origin, and there we go. Oh yeah, I need to set the asset file as well. Evoker holster rig model. All right. Should be on items. Last thing I need to do is to create a new like icon for this. So let me open my icon generator. Let's duplicate this. And let's import the holster model, append collection. There we go. There we go. Adjust the camera. There we go. This should be good enough. And then the lighting. Whoa, very bright. Okay, let's start with one. Actually, one light is enough here. So let's render this. There you go. First render is the A. Okay, icon holster A. And then the next one will be the this. I need to increase this to 2.5 so it becomes more visible. View render viewport. This will render only the bone shape. All right, that should be it here. Let's go back to the file, and I need to compile the image first. So I need to open GIMP. Hold on, let me find the file here. There we go. Open with GIMP. There you go. File open as layers, holster B. There you go. Export as icon holster. Export. There you go. Just discard that. And now let's change the icon here. There you go. Nice. Right. Time to clean it up. Poker holster version 1. Right. Poker holsters. Okay, everything is set. And there we go. Now if we reopen Blender and then go to asset browser and there's creation, there you go. The evoker holster. Nice. Now we have everything here. The preset version 1, preset version 2, the evoker gun model, rig, because I also put the armature, the evoker holster rig, and the Makoto swords model. So yeah, it's set here. Last thing I need to do is to work on or not work. Actually, I could just put it on the Gumroad and just release it. Though I want to make a quick render for the update. So yeah. Anyway, with that done, next project I want to work on is a model bench character port again. So this time I will just work on what is it? The model. Yeah, I will just to do the modeling, not rigging. So yeah, let me go find the file here. Oh, it's right over here. Okay, I need to create a new new folder here. There you go. Move it here. Okay. All right. There you go. Hi there, Kyoshika. Welcome to the stream. Yay. So yeah, working on another model bench port project here. So this time I will just do the model port without the rigging. So yeah, let's open a new workspace, which is my own. And oh boy, look at that normals. Yeah. Okay, let's see. New collections. World origin, empty plain axis. First thing first, let's parent all of this to the empty. That way now I can like move everything here using just the empty. Okay, need to fit this on this model here. Oh, I wonder, is this like the same proportion as like my entertainer rig, or is it like a different proportion? No, actually, this is actually a bit bigger. All right, move this to world origin. What the hell is this? Oh, it's just a grid. No idea why it's there. Okay, let's scale this down. Okay, this might be a bit tricky. Let's just save this first. Save as. Okay. 5.1. We are my YouTube. MI port.001. The idea is that I want to align the at first, so at least I got the like size for the scaling. So let me. Oops, I got the head mesh here. RP, clear keep transformation, snap to the cursor plane. See, snap it. Parent it there. There we go. I'll select this and this. Snap there. Then here, let's align it to the scale. All right, 0.8. That should be the scaling here. There you go. Okay, I see that the body is actually a lot taller than the default character model here. Okay. But at least we got the proper scaling there. All right. Next, let's try to fix these normals first. That way I can pinpoint which model I can reuse, which one I need to remake. Hey, look, I come back just in time. Yeah, I just started working on the model here. Usually just scaling MI model soon to be. Hey there, Kai names. Welcome to stream. He told me it's a regular MC per proportion. You mean proportion? Oh, that's strange. Yeah, maybe the scaling on model bench and on Blender is just like different. Also, the the mesh that you send me here is actually a lot bigger than my mesh here, as you can see. So I'm pretty sure that you want me to make it fit with this size here. So I'm gonna follow this one. Okay, let's start with the normals then. And not just normals, I need to also remove the triangle faces here. So normals flip, and then triangles to quad. And also let's create a new collection. Move this up, call this reuse. There. Oh, it's this thing again. I need to delete this. There we go. Normals flip, triangles to quad. Move it here. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this until there's nothing left that I could reuse. Yeah, I want the fit specifically for my rig, which the Steve scale up Robert was it. I think you're typing a bit too fast there. But yeah, I will make it match with the mesh that you send here. Hey, let's continue. Why not just do it on all of this at once? There. Oh wow. There. Ding 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 ding. Ding ding ding. That should be all for the hair. Normals flip. Triangles to quad. Move them here. Oh. Well, I need to do this manually. I have no idea why this happened. Like, if I move... Oh, it's probably because of this. Because the mesh is parented to the empty, but because the empty is in this collection, and I move this, it then put double collection. Ah. Maybe if the mesh is not parented to anything, it will move to the other collection without creating a double like this. Okay, I need to remove this manually here. All right, next, I think I'm gonna separate this. Right, separate selection. Triangles to quad, normals flip. Let's move this here. And then what else? I think the shoes here can be reused. So flip, triangles to quad, put it here. Okay. It's a bit difficult to see here, so let's just flip all the normals here. Hmm? Oh, it's because I'm on X-ray. Hmm. Oh, it's this one. Okay, let's go back to this. Some of the part here could be merged together. Join, merge by distance. Oh wait, merge by distance. Decrease the distance. There we go. And then remove the internal face here. Merge by, oh wait, I need to join them first, then merge by distance. Remove that. It's probably easier to recalculate all the normals to the outside all at once slow. Can you also convert from Blender to Blockbench? Recently find client-side modification for Java called Figura for 4D skins. I don't know if you can like import Blender model to Blockbench. So maybe it can, but I don't know. Let me check first. If it can import at least OBJ file, then maybe. Let me open Blockbench, generic model, firm file. Ah, you can import OBJ model. So maybe you can, especially because if I remember, Blockbench added a feature on like on a release some time ago where you can make like non primitives model, like model with actual polygons. So yeah, maybe you can. So I haven't tried. So you need to check it out yourself. But yeah, maybe you can like import model from Blender to Blockbench. All right, there should be like 2 more here. Merge by distance. Merge by distance. There we go. What's this? Oh, it's that one on top. Anything else that I need to merge? No, it's same. All right. Let's add crease. Select sharp edge. That looks good. Mark sharp edge crease. Select sharp edge. Mark sharp edge crease. Actually, I could just do this on all of this all at once. All right. Select sharp edge. Mark sharp edge crease. There we go. Oh, I forgot about this one. Select sharp edge. Mark sharp edge crease. There you go. Now all of this should have edge crease for later when I add subdivision. Let's do the same here for the shoes. Select sharp edge, mark sharp edge crease. There we go. Let's reorganize this. Use. So this, move it here. While here, I'm gonna move it. Oops. Move it here. Okay. Before I continue, I need to set this mesh first. Because right now, it seems like you just model this using the default cube here. So it doesn't have texture and not properly like map to a UV like a texture. So yeah, I need to fix this first. So let's just reuse that. Under shading, image color of closest. Let me open my textures. Entertainer rig, others, in template, Steve. There you go. Then entertainer UV. And also let's separate this based on the separate by loose spark. There we go. Do you have any add-on that turns the trash to quads? No, this is actually a feature that already built in Blender. So if you press F3 and then search trees to quad triangle. Oh, it should be in edit mode, I think. Trees. Yeah, there we go. Triangles to quad. This will convert any triangle faces into quads. The result might hit or miss, but it should work on most mesh. And yeah, it's a built-in feature. I just put it on the quick favorites so I could easily do it like quickly. Just doing it manually. Ooh, that would be a lot of work there. Yeah, particularly in block bench, I do believe. Just wondering how you're gonna shrink it down to correct proportion for Steve scale, since not It's a lot taller than expected, lol. Well, I'm not gonna shrink it into the same like the into this, because then it won't fit with the uh, original model. So the way I usually do it for like this model bench port is that first I fix the model, fix the model, and once I got the model set, I then rig it from scratch, though not completely, because I use Enric MCS components here. So that way I don't have to make like the arm, leg, torso like completely from scratch. That I could just use these rig components to have like a starting point, and I just need to adjust the like the size and position of the bone, etc. So yeah, but for your rig, I have no idea. I'm guessing you have a rig like preset, kind of like what I have with Enric here. So that's something like this default preset here, where everything is already set up. So yeah, you will need to you will need to modify that to fit the proportion. So yeah, I could shrink this down, and I think I just need to shrink the no, actually I need to shrink the leg as well. But yeah, I think I just need to shrink the leg and the torso here. But for now, I'm just gonna make it like one-to-one with the original model. And you can just shrink it down yourself later. Like if you want the leg and the torso to like fit, you just need to shrink it down on like the Z, and then like move the arm, the head down with new position, and yeah. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it so it match with the original model bench model. Yeah, just no cubes. No. This would no. Okay, since I asked Jassy about being MC proportion and told me being Minecraft proportion, so most likely can't scale down properly to fix Steve's skull. I have to modify all of your rig. It would be pain. Yeah. It's fortunately for me because I have the whole MCS system here, so I could just easily rebuild the rig using the components. But for yours, because you have like a rig preset with everything already built in, yeah, you will need to modify all of that. You could do something like MCS here, where you could like separate each part of the rig into modules and then like edit them separately. And then once you got everything set up, you could merge them back in. But I don't know how it will work with your rig. So yeah, yeah, whatever. Right now, I'm just gonna remake the original model, and you can readjust it to fit your rig yourself later. And again, with that, I also have to worry about the pixel size of, yeah, because if you want to make this fit with the rig, you need to shrink it down. That's like the easiest way to do it. But then it won't, the pixel will get squashed down. So yeah. Anyway, enough of that. Let's work on this. I'm gonna delete your site here. UV. Oh, I have no, but then won't. Maybe that will work. I have a crazy idea here. To save time, maybe I could just reuse the UV from my mesh here, but I need to modify it a bit so it's the same like count, like face count, but it could work. Let's see. What is it? Select sharp edge, invert, dissolve edges. Same with here. Select sharp. Select sharp edge, invert, dissolve edge. Select sharp edge, invert, dissolve edge, and lastly, sharp edge, invert, dissolve edge. Now all of this I need to put the same material here. Right, as you can see, this one is properly set the UV here. And now, using the Mio 3 add-on here, I'm gonna copy this and then here, paste. Huh. Okay, that didn't work. I thought I could just like copy the UV here. Though maybe I could just link this. Copy UV maps. Oh, oh, oh! Wow, that works. Though it's a bit off here. Yeah, it's a bit off. Though since it already set like so, maybe I can now paste. No, I think it messed up because the index doesn't match with this. Although, since I already said it's like so, what if I just reuse this because this one's already mapped out? I just need to set the scaling here. Origin, the geometry. Let's start with this. Snap there. Okay, nice. Here I need to rotate this 90 degrees. Wait, how much I set for the leg here? 0.16. Okay, 1.6. Nice. To the now let's just focus here. Scale 1.6. Scale 1.6. Alrighty. There you go. Now there's the neck. I don't need that. And delete this. And there you go. That's the mesh. Now I could just apply this scale. Control A. Apply scale. And there we go. Well, it will be extra pain, so modifying the IK spline curves will be a pain. Ah, you already have IK spline. Yeah, that will be pain. Because you need to also adjust the segments as well if you want to make it proper. I probably have to remove a few pixels to make things work low. As long as everything merged by distance correctly, then it should be fine. Perhaps. Also, I snuck into my YouTube account on my Chromebook to have faster middle class. Well, wait. You're in the middle of a class right now? Well, make sure that the teacher doesn't caught you watching my stream then. I'm gonna need to replace Steve scale soon anyway, since that one, as you point out, has new UV and stuff. I also need to add shape key to my Steve scale instead of sitting down T-pose. You know, if you reach T-pose by default, I think your Steve scale is just scale down a bit. You probably scale it up to correct size of the other one though. Yeah, for me, I try to match it like perfectly like this two block here, which is like the size of a Minecraft block when you like import it directly into Blender. Yep, full tweaks all the way on arm to leg and body head. Yeah, making sure not to get caught in the mouth. Yeah. Anyway, let's continue then. Also, I think I could just leave this one for you so you don't have to redo that manually. Yeah, this is my model here. Feel free to use this. It's already prepped here with the UV. Yeah. All right. Which one should I work first here? Let's start with the arm here. So new collection, remodel, and let's make a new increment save. Make a duplicate, move it up. Then here I'm gonna select all of this. Actually, let's just merge this into one mesh. Join. There we go. Join. There we go. Way it's easier to select. Like this. This. Focus. All right. Okay. Oh, wait. I need to UV map this to this UV first. Because this one is using a larger texture. What's this one? I think this one is 128. That's like the scale always use. Let me check. Yes, it's 128 by 128. 128. There you go. Okay, got this. Crap. Let's make a duplicate. Keep this as a backup. Snap there. Just need the Z. All right, set this and also, huh? Oh, it must be. No, it doesn't have any. Yes, off center. Oh, right. It's because I forgot to snap the pixel. That's why. I was wondering why the texture doesn't like properly match with the edge here. It's because I haven't snapped the UV to the pixel, like properly map it. All right, there we go. Gonna hide this. Proportional editing, linear. There we go. Close enough. No need to adjust this side. All right. Now let's cut this part here. That doesn't need that one. Scale around here. And let's scale it up like so. Oh. Okay. I need to hide this first. And then here, I need to scale this down. Oh, wait. I need to scale all of this down. Nine, 5. 75. Yeah, there you go. No. Oh wait, that's close enough. Okay, now I can scale this. 0.15. There you go. it's a bit different here, but mostly because of the UV here, because here is it was modeled using primitives, so there's a bit of like this here, but doesn't really matter here. All right, back to here, make another duplicate. Snap it there, and let's add another. Oh, right, this one also happened. Snap to pixel here. Yeah, in GMC to OBJ, I set the world export scale to 1.6. It's most other rig other than your rig and rigs from Squared Media and Secret. So use that scaling for the rigs by default. Ah, so for me, maybe because I'm used with like Minimator, not Minimator, Mineways, that the scaling is always set like 1 instead of 1.6. So that's why my model is much smaller. Yeah, looking at the arms, either I moved 1 pixel too far on the axis or something up with them though. Might want to rotate the arm to the neutral pose. It's supposed to be in like 3 minutes, so it'll be free out of class and be free talk the rest of the stream. Hopefully until third period class will be in 2 hours. Nice. Hey there, Kamike. Welcome to the stream. Someone the past few minutes I rank first in this chat, Lamau. I mean, you're the most like the one with the most chat here right now. So yeah, that's why you're number 1. I've been learning Blender. I think I understand a bit of what you're doing. I've been wondering how one can stretch mesh on texture like that. Obviously, we don't need fingers on the original model had, as LUV already has fingers, and those were just in my process. Yeah, I'm just gonna remodel this and maybe keep this, but it won't be rigged because you could just use the mesh from your rig. Same thing what I do with my rig when I do the MI model port. I hope the next version of Model Bench community build Swoopless adds protects modeling to make our lives a lot easier. Yeah, that will be great. Though I don't know if it could do that, because if I remember right now, Model Bench is like only one person that is working on it, which is Swoopless. Unlike Model Bench, with have like a bigger like group and community, Model Bench right now is like still in development, but not as much as what it used to be. So even if you would add vertex modeling, it will be like on future versions. I don't know. It will be nice if Model Bench have like vertex modeling, because that way you don't have to model everything using using primitives. Yeah, I thought you can change it in Mineways as well to be 1.6. Well, I like to use like the default setting. So yeah, I try to make it as like default as possible. Yeah, when keeping the OG fingers with around. Yeah, I'm still gonna keep the mesh just for like reference, but yeah. Art rumors, and I think I saw a tweet from Michelle account adding for this editing program. Really? I haven't seen that. If that's the case, it will be cool. Okay, this is set to this part here. So I'm just gonna reuse this, remove the rest, move it here. There you go. And then let's just move it here. Oh, wait, move it. Move it here, somewhere over here. And then let's scale this. Yeah, it's a bit weird here because of this, but I can't see that. Okay, let's Uh, let's move this. Oh, let's not do that. First, snap there. Set origin to cursor. Now make it snap perfectly to the center there. And let's just remove this. Okay, global X. Copy this. Paste it here. There we go. Here I could just move this like so. 0.02. Done. There we go. Solidify. Positive even thickness on the rim. Extrude it up a bit. 0.4 should be enough. And then here, I think it's best to just apply this first. And then let's select this edges here. And then scale it up. Oh, wait, I need to remove this. Well, just to make it easier. Or like the taper. Oh, oops. Scale. There you go. Match quite close there. Here I could just fix the UV. Then also select sharp edge. And this one I need to select manually. Mark sharp, edge crease. But yeah, there you go. This one I could just fix by adding this. All right. Last thing will be this, though I think this one I could just reuse here. Oh, where is it? Wrist, move it on reuse. Alt P clear, keep transformation. No, that's not. Oh, right. I need to create new collection here. Arm. Move this here. And let's remove this. And also, let's move this here. Move this here. And since it's already done, I could just remove that. And there I go. That's the arm done. Much cleaner mesh here. All right. What is this? It is actually part of the the model here. I mean texture. I thought it's just another normal set I haven't flipped. let's clean this up. All right, let's save this. Once I'm able to get this model fully working on my recon stuff, will be the first thing I'm doing after bug testing of it. There'll be an entire rebrand of my channel and stream to fit new me. Ooh, nice. So theoretically, you can create a character with different limb length on the stuff as long as you fit the unwrap mesh to like Minecraft 74 by 64 texture. You mean 64 by 64? Yeah. So if you want to make the limb like match up, like pixel size, you need to like adjust it, like increase, not just like squeeze it or something like that. I don't know. I would pay you to this, by the way, if I had the money, lol. But sorry, I don't have anything, at least on PayPal. Next time I decide to commission Jaxi, I'm probably gonna try to get you paid to do porting work, since I don't know how much the hell you're able to do this magic on this. Yeah, I mean, you're lucky that I'm currently don't really have much to work on. Well, I already have the commission project, but I'm a bit like burned out on that and really want to work on something else. So yeah, it's good that you're come to me to and like have this project to work on. Because yeah, I really want to work on something else besides those commission project that I have right now. All right, since this I don't need any more, I could just delete them. All right, it's right. It's 8:40 right now, so I should have like, I don't know, like 20-30 minutes left before I need to end the stream. So maybe I could finish the leg here. So where's that? Ah, there we go. I need to put this on top. Remodel. Okay. Oh, I made duplicate. Remodel dot leg. Remodel dot leg. Yeah, there we go. Copy this. Move this up. And then let's put it here. Where is this? Over there. Snap to pixel. Yep. Okay. Let's set the origin there. That way I can snap it like so. And make a duplicate. Save this as a backup. All right, let's see. I need to taper this here and then taper it again here. So let's remove this part here. Enable proportional editing again. All right. Oh, I need to reduce this. All right. 0.95. I need to be smaller. 1925. There we go. Then here, I'm going to taper it again around here. Point 0.17. 5. Nice. All right. I think that should be it here. I could just reuse this part here from the mesh, from the original mesh. So select all of this, separate collection. Okay, I need to cut this part here a bit. All right. And let's see. Need to adjust it again. No. So I could just remove this. Right, merge by distance. Remove all of this. And yeah, there we go. Let's move this up. Oh yeah, I forgot to create another collection here. Reuse leg. Let's add this so it doesn't get mixed up. Reuse dot hair. Reuse dot shoes. Reuse dot arm. Reuse dot leg. I'm gonna move this up. Might as well. Nah. Yeah, why not? Merge it with the shoes as well. Move it here. Also, I could just work on one side and then mirror it to the other side because both are the same. So let's just delete the other side. But yeah, there you go. You got the arm set. You got the leg set here. Oh, a bit more adjustment here, just for like the for this. But yeah, got the leg done, the arm done, hair is set here. This one, let's just merge this by distance. There you go. Inner mesh, and then let's remove this. There you go. So yeah, that should be it that I can work on tonight. I mean, I usually end at 9 p.m., but I start early, so why not? Besides, it gives me some time to have stuff before I go to bed. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here for today's stream. Let me read the chat here a bit. Here, where was I? Please show us one day how to use your 2D face rig on your own rig, or how to form a rig with your assets. Yeah, I do want to make like tutorials on like how to use the rig components to build your own rig, or how to use like rig modules on other rig. But right now I'm quite busy, not just with like projects that I have currently, but also because finals is just around the corner. So yeah, maybe later once I finish the commission project and then finish my final exam. Yeah, maybe I could work on those again. Continue the Entertainer Rig tutorial series. Just got jump scared by full announcement trailer TDC on Fortnite. And Pony looks taller than the curse. Really? Digital stickers is on Fortnite? They're really adding everything into the game. EADC Fortnite. Oh wow. Yeah, it look a bit weird here. Because Pomni is like on an actual like human proportion. Yeah, it still look a bit weird. Oh man, that's just cruel. uh I forgot the character name. Damn it. This one, I forgot the name. Yeah, DC characters. Who is that one? Zubul, there we go. They made Zubul into a pickaxe. That's cruel. And the one is using its jacks. Oh. Okay, that's interesting. Thankfully, to my knowledge, the model is fully symmetrical, so you only need to do one arm and one leg, then mirror to fix the UV. Yeah, I'm just gonna work on one side and then mirror it to the other side. You just fix the topology quick, huh? I mean, it's not really that like that complex here, at least from the model. So I could just also some parts I could just reuse, like this one. I don't need to remake this. So yeah, it's mainly like this part here with like the taper and stuff that I need to remodel. But for the rest, I could just reuse. All right, you could send me what you have so far. That'd be great. Just using Zubul's hammer. Yeah, though it's really fitting for him, I think. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna end the stream here for today. And as usual, I'll see you again on Saturday, same time at 7 p.m. Yeah. Anyway, that's about it. See you again next time. Bye. Oh yeah, I will also send the current progress file on Discord. Anyway, bye.